In this tutorial, we'll learn how to extract data points from graphs that are available in PDF or picture formats and use them in Excel. We will use a light freeware software called Engauge Digitizer. It has a setup file of only 21 MB. Link is given in description. Open the software and import the picture. First, create 3 axis points that will define the coordinate axis. The moment we create the third point, software will form a graph mesh over the whole picture. Go to Setting, then Coordinates, to set the axis as logarithmic. Now that both x and y axis are defined, select Curve Point tool to mark the points that are to be exported. Select as many points as you need and export the file. CSV file containing all marked points has been generated. You can now use them in your calculations in any way you want. Now, we will extract whole trend lines from a graph containing multiple curves. Import the picture. Define as many curve names as you want to export. They can also be defined later. A checklist guide is available on your right that'll help keep track of each step. First step is similar. Define the x and y coordinate axes. Only one axis is logarithmic in this graph. Select the color picking tool and select the color of curve that you want to export. It will appear on the top of screen and toolbar. Now, the software knows what the color of curve is. All that's left is touch any point on the curve with Segment Fill tool. Data is ready to be exported. Select New Curve Name from the drop-down list to export more curves. Repeat the same procedure. You can add more curves at any time. Export the curves and use them in your calculations. Accurate curves have been obtained. That's it for now. More videos will be uploaded soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.